to look at the effect on the product when we multiply by multiples of 10. Let's look at this problem. 3 times 10. To solve a problem like this, you can ignore the zeros at first and focus on the non-zero digit. So I know that 3 times 1 is 3. Now all you have to do is count up how many zeros are in the problem and add that many zeros to your answer. I have 1 zero in my problem, so I'm going to include 1 zero in my answer. 3 times 10 is 30. Now we have 3 times 100. So I'm going to take a look at the numbers that are not zeros. 3 times 1 is 3, and I have 2 zeros in my problem, so I'm going to include 2 zeros in my answer. 3 times 100 is 300. Over here I have 40 times 10. Now both of the numbers in my problem have zeros, but that doesn't matter. I'm going to ignore the zeros and focus on the digits that do not have zeros. 4 times 1 is 4, and I have 2 zeros in my problem, so I'm going to include 2 zeros in my answer. 40 times 10 is 400. Here I have 80 times 100, so I'm going to focus on my 8 and my 1. 8 times 1 is 8, and I have 1, 2, 3 zeros in my problem, so I'm going to include 3 zeros in my answer. 1, 2, 3. 80 times 100 is 8,000.